Hi, Jishu. We
I
speak again. We last spoke when you were preparing for Shakuntala Devi's release. That was your first release on OTT.
right.
And so since then, you've had a few. So there's been Sadak, and now also Durgamati is going to be on OTT as
Right.
well. So I'm going to start off with a question that we left on last time. Does OTT take the pressure off the actor because there is no box office number involved? You said you will let me know once Shakuntala Devi is out. So has things changed? You're two films down already since then.
No, things haven't changed because I didn't get to know only people only talk or about the film on the social media. So you don't
Okay.
actually understand the the box office thing which is happening and
So that's a good thing. Is that a good thing? Because you're not constantly checking for numbers. You're not, trying to find out whether it's a
uh,
houseful or not.
yeah, correct. So that is one point which is good. But the second point is you don't know what people are talking about, what how people are accepting you or not. You don't know. So
But
it's a weird thing we are in actually. Probably this is the new normal.
yeah, it is. But social media, like people are extremely active on social media now more than ever, of course. But
Yeah,
all of
I
these
guess.
films have been widely spoken about. Like Shakuntala Devi, for that matter, was like people were like going like gaga over it.
So that's what
Sadak,
I'm saying. So that
yes,
that those are the pros of
of
releasing a film on OTT.
right. But does it still give you sort of jitters? Like, say, for Durgamati, it's going to be out on 11th. So you still get butterflies? Is it like, or you're like, fine,
You know,
we'll see
I
how
don't
it
know.
goes.
I have mentioned this to you earlier or not. You know, when I'm shooting for a film, it gives me butterflies are there on my stomach, my heart, my mind. They're all flying all over. But when I'm done with the film, when I'm done shooting with the film, it's like an examination. How you give your examination, and
Yes,
you don't
correct.
only depend on the result. And
Hmm,
then
hmm.
after examination जाके मंदिर में बैठ के pray करो अभी result अच्छा होना चाहिए. It doesn't work
Result
for
is
me like
okay.
that. Uh, so my thing is absolutely when I'm shooting the film,
Hmm.
I go through stress, I go through everything. But when it
Yeah,
is releasing, I know I've done my job. अभी
yeah,
अच्छा है कि बुरा है, whatever it is, people are going to talk about it.
right, right.
So
Uh,
yeah.
so So I'm going to move straight into Durgamati. First of all, it was Durgavati initially, and then it changed to Durgamati. Would you have any like? Would you be able to tell us why there was this title change?
It is because of the content, because the Durgamati name was better with the content than Durgavati. So that's the
Okay,
reason the art director thought of changing the name to Durgavati.
okay, all right, all right. So tell us a little bit about your role. So in the trailer, we understand it's a very complex trailer.
You liked it?
So tell us. Well, I do, but we'll get to that.
That's
But
about
tell
it.
me about your
It's
character.
about people liking the trailer. So that is, I guess, this film. Yes, it's a take from a Telugu film. It's a remake of a
Right,
Telugu
right.
film, but
Yes.
I would say there are a few changes when we did the film. Ashok ji has changed few things,
When you've adapted
and
it to Hindi, right?
yeah, and talking about my character, I play a SCP, Abhay Singh,
Hmm.
and he's
Hmm.
a very strong-headed, very strong character, I would say, and he's out there to take revenge,
Hmm.
and
Okay.
that's about it. You know, if I say one more line, I'm going to give away the film, which I don't want.
No, no, that's perfectly fine. Do not give away the film. I'm looking forward to it. So actually, I was going to get to that question, which you sort of touched upon. So a couple of weeks ago, we saw Lakshmi, Akshay Kumar's Lakshmi. Akshay Kumar is also producing this film.
Right.
That is also a remake of a South Indian film. This
Yeah.
one is also a remake. In case of Lakshmi, the script was, you know, pretty much the same. So there was very little alteration that Raghava Lawrence made. But you're saying there was like some changes that was made in the Hindi version for
Not, I
Durgamati.
won't say the content wise, but yeah,
Hmm.
there. Uh, it is not a frame by frame copy of that film. It is a
Okay.
different film altogether.
Right.
As we
Is it
speak.
important? Sorry, I'm sorry to cut you. Is it important to sort of slightly tweak the script because of the audience that you are catering to? Was that something that was
Look,
in
generally,
America's mind?
I don't think it is necessary because it is a different language film altogether. There are people who don't watch Telugu films. There are people
Correct,
who
correct.
haven't seen Durgamati.
Right.
Haven't seen sorry, Bhagmati. So
Bhagwati.
those people are going to watch it, and it doesn't matter that it is a remake or not. It doesn't
Mm-hmm.
matter. It's a story which the director loved to say it again in different language. The director is same, like
Yeah.
Ashokji has made Bhagmati also and Durgamati is also directed by him. So he wanted to say this in a different language, and I think it doesn't matter if it's a remake or not because it's not a remake. A Hindi film remake nahi hai. It's a Telugu film. It's
Correct.
a different language altogether. So I think
But
it doesn't matter to
since you're
change or
catering to a different audience base altogether, say Hindi cinema audience, or right now since it's going to be releasing on OTT, the OTT audience at like the larger people, have different sensibilities. So is
correct.
it important to sort of take those things into account and sort of fine tune the script as
Look, I
required?
don't disagree
Also,
with
the
you.
year is different. So, like in 2020, people's sensibilities have possibly changed that
Yeah,
way.
but depends on the sensibility. Depends on the content. If the content
Correct.
is, it's timeless. You don't need to change the content. But it
Right.
is if it is depending on the era and everything, then you need to change
Mhm.
the era and need to change
Right.
a little bit here and there. But otherwise, you
Right.
don't need to change the content. And as I said, it's in a different language. Then
Mhm.
you don't need to even change the script if you don't want to, if you don't need to, if you don't feel so.
Mm.
And I feel Ashokji didn't feel much to change about it. Yeah, there are
Change.
a few changes about the characterizations of a few actors, and
Okay.
like the way Murli sir did my character in Bhagmati. I haven't seen the film, and I in
Mm.
fact went up to him and I told him, "Sir, I want to do it like this." He told me, "Jishuji, this is your character. This is what you're
Mm.
playing. You do it your way." So I have done
Mm.
it my way, and
Mm.
I haven't seen Bhagmati.
Bhagwati.
So there was the chief assistant out there who said,
Mhm.
"मुरली sir ने ऐसा किया था, but आप तो दूसरी तरह
Mm.
कर रहे हो." So I understood.
Mm. Mm.
Thankfully, I'm not doing what Murli sir has done, and I'm
Mm.
doing it in a different way. So
Mm.
I think because all the actors are different. There are
Right.
few actors who he has
Mm.
repeated in this
Retained. Mm.
film.
Mm.
So you if you get new actors, those actors will bring you new things on the table with the same
Correct.
content.
Correct. Correct.
So I think it's a different film in that aspect.
Mm. Mm. And it's also interesting, and again, moving to the next question and sort of borrowing from this one, I was going to ask if, there was a requirement for you to watch the original and then sort of imbibe stuff from there, but clearly not. So there is absolutely, so you went in with a fresh mind and you portrayed the character the way you wanted it. There was no need for
Absolutely.
you to go back and refer, sort of, it was not
No, I
required.
don't think any director would want you to do that.
Want that.
Yeah, people,
Okay.
a director would want his actors to portray what he or she feels. I think that most of the director would do that.
Hmm. Okay. So I'm going to ask you about Sadak 2 also, since your character over there was very different from what we have usually seen you in, especially in Bollywood. And we spoke about this last time as well, that Jishu has this sort of I guess, demeanor, which is why he's always chosen as a strong man supporting a woman all the time. So there is Shakuntala Devi, there is Piku, there is Manikarnika, and I mean, and Barfi. So it's always that. But Sadak 2 was completely different. It was a shocker and a pleasant one, honestly speaking. And now Durgamati, the character is again very different. You did tell us last time that you are uh, sort of moving base to Bollywood and exploring, opportunities here. How is it working out, and more importantly, what kind of a selection process do you go through when you're selecting roles? do you keep in mind not to repeat the roles that you have already played and sort of try something different?
No, I don't keep anything. When I'm reading something or if I'm listening some story, I don't keep any baggage that ऐसा मैंने किया था पहले and I'm not going to do that
Okay.
again.
Okay.
Yeah, there are certain things which, yes, as you said, that I've been playing this man behind this woman for so many years. I would love to avoid them, but if the content is great, I would love to be a part of that film. It doesn't matter that I've played probably
A
50
similar
films like
character.
that. Yeah, so it will
Right,
not
right.
matter to me because I will try and play it in a different way.
Differently, correct.
Yeah, and yes, I'm reading few scripts right now in Hindi. I'm
Mm.
shooting for a Hindi film right now and also a Telugu
Mm.
film simultaneously. And
Okay.
yes, I believe I'm an Indian actor, so I would love to do a film in Tamil. I would love to do a film in
Mm.
Malayalam. The
Mm.
Marathi films, the way
Yeah, yeah.
Marathi film has come up, I think it's
Beautiful,
great,
yes.
great content which is happening in Marathi films,
Yeah.
which is brilliant. Which is I think you can compare. There are a lot of films you can compare that to a world cinema.
Yes.
So yes, so I want to travel entire India, rather entire world, to good content and to do good cinemas.
And so how has the reception been within the industry? You've had back-to-back releases. You're also working on a few more.
I
Uh,
think that says it
how
all.
how
It feels great, It feels great that you are being accepted in anywhere. When it could have been in Bangla also. I'm sitting home, probably I'm not getting any work, and suddenly you start getting 3 4 films, and you start shooting every single day of your life. You feel good, and it happens. If I would have, that's what I said. If I would have been shooting a Bengali film also.
Hmm,
So
hmm,
here also it is great that people have liked me as an actor. They are
hmm,
appreciating the kind of work which I'm doing here and the kind of what would I say? I the kind of character which I build within me and get that on the
hmm,
table for them.
hmm.
They're appreciating that. So I feel blessed. I feel proud, and
Hmm.
that I've learned something which is good and which I can share with the world.
Okay, Jishu, finally, I would just like to ask a little bit about Soumitra Chatterjee. So we read somewhere that he was working on a biopic. So what is the status of that film, that biopic?
The film is over, and in fact, 14th of July we started shooting that film again, and he and Shomitra Jethu and me, we started filming a Bengali film. We were the first person to get out of the house and start shooting.
Yeah, yeah.
It, and I can still imagine that he's not there. And he's
No.
he's very close to me. He was like family to me, and he has seen me, growing up. And the best part was this year January, I was supposed to play a different character in this biopic. And I still remember, I think 4th or 5th of January, he called me up. I was in Bombay. I was in my flat, and I was shooting for. I don't remember. I was shooting for some film. He called me up and he said that if anyone is playing me, it has to be you.
Wonderful. He was
And I
right.
said,
He was right. No,
and I
that's a
said
perfect
Jetu,
casting.
and I call him Jetu. So
Yes.
Jetu means uncle. But I don't have dates right now, Amar. I won't be able to shoot because the character I was playing Uttam Kumar in the film. So
Hmm.
I had it's a guest appearance. I was doing 3 or 4 because all the actors in Bengal are doing small roles in this
Roles,
film.
yeah. Hmm.
So I said 3 4 days I could manage for this role, but you want me to play you? And first and foremost, I can't even imagine that you are telling me this. There is
Hmm.
nothing doing. If anyone is doing it, has to be you.
Hmm.
So I said okay, and I kept the phone, and I couldn't believe that he's actually told that, and he's asked me to do it, and I can't say no. It's Soumitra
Hmm.
Chatterjee. It's the
Right.
Soumitra Chatterjee is calling you up and saying that you have to play my role. So I called up my manager and I said, I don't know, I have to do this film.
Yeah.
I want to do this film. And it's a huge, huge honor to play Shobhan's
Yes.
character. So, in fact, the dates were clashing with Durgamati. And as we speak, and in fact, yeah, this was a film which I was shooting that time. So we requested them, and I don't know how it happened, but yes, the date got managed.
Worked
And,
out.
yeah, and I shot the film. But as we speak, I haven't gone back yet after Jetu has passed away. I'm still in Bombay. People have been calling me up, trying to wanted an interview and everything. I really don't know. I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say because I haven't given any interview on this project. So I think this is the first time I'm talking about it.
Thank you so much for talking to me, Jishu.
Thank
Thank you. And all the best for Durgamati.
Thank you so much. Thank you.